teach CBSE 10th Maths. Hey guys, this is Tina. I teach CBSE 8 Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 14 Statistics, Exercise 14.1, 5th question. Alright, now let's read the question. In a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packing boxes. These boxes contain varying number of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. So here there is a market. Okay, so in that market a fruit vendor he is selling mangoes. Okay, so those mangoes are kept in the boxes. So here there are they have mentioned in this data the number of boxes as well as the number of mangoes. So what we are supposed to find? So we are supposed to find the mean. Okay, so I didn't write that down, I didn't have space, but in textbook it's mentioned. Okay, so we are supposed to find the mean of these number of boxes, those stuffs and all. Okay, all right. So now when you just look at it, we have like this numbers, certain numbers we have, isn't it? So here the question is, which method am I going to use? So I am going to use direct method. It seems easy, for your wish. So in which method you are thorough, you can use that method. And if you have large numbers, try to use assumed mean method. Okay, alright. So now let us solve it. Okay guys, so now when you just look at this table, I just wrote the class mark which was mentioned in the question, isn't it? But here we have a twist. So the twist is, did you guys notice that we have 50 to 52 and then we have 53 to 55, isn't it? It is not continuing. Like we should get 52 to 55. We should not get 53 to 55, isn't it? In previous questions and all, we didn't even face like this type of question, isn't it? In all the questions, we had something like continuing like that. But here when you just check it out, it is not continuing. So it seems somewhat wrong, isn't it? So here remember, so we have 50 to 52 and then we have 53 to 55. This is somewhat odd. Why? Because we want 52 to 55, isn't it? So since it is in the collapsing way, what I am going to do is, I am going to write 1 divided by 2. Okay. Okay guys, so here now when you just look at it, so here in these both values, so here we have 53 to 55, here we have 56 to 58. It is not continuing, it is like starting from a new number, isn't it? So it is somewhat odd, isn't it? So to make it right, we are supposed to do 1 divided by 2. Okay, how are we supposed? So 1 divided by 2 is 0.5, isn't it? So like that we are supposed to do 1 divided by 2. So you guys might be wondering, really, can we actually do this in exam? Of course guys, whenever you have something which is not continuing, please try to do that. Okay, please guys, never forget to do this. Why? Because this is really important question. Okay, alright. So whenever you have something that is not continuing, so what is the meaning of continuing here? So 50 to 52, isn't it? And then I have 53 to 55 instead of having 52 to 55. So it is not continuing. Then this number is not continuing here, right? So that is the meaning of it. Okay. So now you know, right? We are supposed to divide it by we are supposed to do 1 divided by 2. How to do that? That is the question now. Okay guys, so now you know, whenever we have something that is not continuing, try to do it like this. Okay, so first write 1 by 2 and we will get 1 by 2 is 0.5. So now what is the meaning of 0.5? So the meaning is, first let us write class interval. Okay, so now what we are supposed to do is, so here according to us, this one, these numbers are lower limit. When you just check it out, all these numbers are smaller compared to these numbers. Okay, so since these numbers are smaller, we call it as lower limit, and here we call it as upper limit, isn't it? So since they are not continuing, here we have lower limit, right? So here I am gonna minus it with 0.5. So all the values here I have, right? So 50, 53, 56, 59, 62. I am gonna subtract it with 0.5. Remember, I am going to subtract them. So I'll write the minus sign. I'm going to subtract it with 0.5. Remember 0.5. And here everything is big number. So I'm going to add it with 0.5. Okay. So remember that. Alright. So now when I just subtract 50 minus 0.5, I get 49.5, isn't it? I'll get 49.5 when I just subtract 50 with 0.5. So now I'm gonna add 52 plus 0.5. Why am I adding? Why? Because I told you greatest number we are supposed to add it. So 49.5, 2, this is 2 dash this is 2. Okay, so 2 when I just add 52 plus 0.5, I get 52.5. okay, all right. So like that, 53 minus 0.5, I'll get 52.5. so 55 plus 0.5, I'll get 55.5. okay, like that I'll get it. Okay, so now I'm gonna write it a little bit fast. So 55.5 minus 58.5, and here it is 58.5 to 61.5, and then 61.5 to 64.5. Do you guys think they are continuing? Of course. So here I have 52.5, here also I have 52.5, and here I have 55.5, here also I have 55.5, and then it is continuing. See, so this is the meaning of it. Okay, all right. So now let me just draw a line. Okay, so we didn't just write the frequency, isn't it? So let me write the frequency. Okay, so the frequency is 15, 110 and 135 and 115, and it is mentioned in the question, and 25. Okay, so this is the frequency. Alright, so since I'm going to use direct method, what is the formula, guys? So the formula is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. So this is the formula for direct method. So I want xi. So first let us find xi. How to find xi? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So now the question is, am I supposed to find the upper limit plus lower limit for this or this one? That is the question now. So guys, actually we are supposed to take upper limit plus lower limit for this one. Okay, why? Because this is mentioned in the question. These are the actual numbers, right? So we are supposed to take this one. Okay, remember this. Why? Because most of the guys used to commit mistake in this. Okay, all right. So now upper limit plus lower limit, when I just add them, I'll get 102. Okay, so I'll get 102. So 102 divided by 2 is 51. Okay, and then like that, when I do for this also, we'll get 54, and here 57, and here 60, and here 63. All right, so now I got xi value. So now I'm going to be finding the fi value. I'm sorry guys if the boxes tables are not in a proper line. I'm sorry, literally sorry for that. Okay, all right. Okay, so now I'm supposed to find fi xi. So fi xi. Okay, so here what is the meaning of fi xi? So fi into xi, that is the meaning, right? So here fi is here. So 15 into 51 is 765. So 110 into 54 is 5940, and here 57 into 135 is 7695. So in this lesson, no, we have to use first standard mind. That means all these are calculation plus addition, right? So it is just a small thing, isn't it? But you should understand the concept, the formulas and that. If you know that, then it's literally easy. Okay, I know most of the guys used to commit mistake in subtraction and addition, but you have to try again and again. Okay, all right. So now I got the fi xi value, isn't it? So when I just do total, add it, I'll get this value. Okay, so that is 22,875. Okay, so when I just add Fi value, I'll get 400. Okay, now I know the Fi Xi value, I know the Fi value, isn't it? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute the values. So X bar is equal to, so sigma Fi Xi, that is 22,875 divided by 400. Okay, so we can't just cancel it, we can actually divide it. Okay, so in normal division, so when we just do it, we'll get 57.187. so this is the answer. Okay, so we're supposed to divide it directly. Okay, so this is gonna be your answer.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video.